Yeah, what's going on with the chicken? I went to 3 chicken places last night. The first one, the line was so long, I believe they couldn't crack in that chicken sandwich. We had to wait there for 32 minutes on a sandwich. Now, if it had been for me, I wouldn't have got it. I would have left. But it was for my parents.
But is it that good?
Not really, and here's our reasoning. The spicy version is much like the original chicken sandwich, only battered and breaded in a buttermilk coating created specifically for this menu item. It's then topped with pickles and loaded onto a brioche bun. The spicy version sees the addition of spicy mayonnaise. We were gravely disappointed. While this one had a nice crunch, it severely lacked any flavor and tasted like a standard, greasy, subpar fried chicken sandwich. The flavor of grease still lingered in our mouths for hours. Hard pass.
Then we left and we decided that we wanted something too. So we went to the King of the South chicken place. Drive up to the drive-thru. She says, we only have breasts and thighs. I said, what happened to the rest of the chicken? Oh, the chicken truck didn't run. Now you got chicken in your name. You famous for your chicken and you don't have chicken? Okay. So we decided to check out this other place on the way home. And because we know they got chicken. Drive by, don't even get to the drive-thru. The employees on the outside talking about we closed. We're like, it's not closing time. They're like, oh, but we're closed. I'm like, what the hell has happened to all the chickens? They ran off. They got the vid. What the heck going on? We in the South. We want our chicken. Talk to you later. I'm imkimberlyracin.
Kimberlyracin, she step on the say clean. 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 K-I-M-B-E-R-L-Y. Kimberlyracin, she step on the say clean. K-I-M-B-E-R-L-Y.